Unlock a world of possibilities for your brand by building a fully functional, multilanguage website in Webflow, completely for free. Our journey begins in your Webflow dashboard. We'll navigate to the Pages section, which is where we'll set up the foundation for each of your language versions. For each language you want to support, we'll create a duplicate of your main page. Think of this as a blank canvas for your translated content. Now enter the Webflow designer to meticulously translate every piece of text on your duplicated page. This includes headings, paragraphs, buttons, and any other on-page captions. It's not just about text. We'll also swap out any images or media that speak a different language. This ensures a truly localized experience for your visitors. Crucially, we need to optimize your new pages for search engines. This means adjusting meta titles and descriptions for each language to attract local search traffic. To make navigating between languages seamless, we'll add a language switcher to your website's navigation. This can be a simple drop-down or a series of flag icons. We then connect each language option in the switcher to its corresponding duplicated page, ensuring users can easily jump between their preferred dialects. And there you have it. A bilingual or even trilingual Webflow site built without spending a dime, ready to connect with a global audience and expand your reach exponentially.